If you want to share a project you've made in Cricut Design Space with somebody else, here's how you can do that. First, figure out your design and get it all set up how you want it. I'm just going to pull up this guy in here. Whoops, now he ran away. Don't you hate that when that happens? Just slide him back in. There. Now I can go up here and click Save. Now if I go under Projects and then up here and sort to My Projects, you'll see it's actually the very first project that comes up. And if I hit Share, it's going to ask me to add some details. This is where you can take a photograph of the actual finished project, and you would click here to upload that photo. That's sometimes nice so people can see how the cut translates into real world. And then you can add down here some tags like maybe Valentine's Day, love, frog, card, whatever you want. Description, if you want to add some notes about I made this card, and insert the size or what cardstock you use or whatever. Okay, so here is where you hit save. It won't let me save because I have to upload something and add some description in order to save. But if I had uploaded all the information, then I could save, and then a little pop-up for share this on social media would come up, and I can share it directly to like my Facebook page, for example. Thanks.